You are jumping rope daily but still not losing fat. Here is why. Small mistakes in your jump rope form can completely stall your fat loss progress. Today you will learn 5 common mistakes and how to fix them instantly. Fixing these mistakes will help you burn more fat with less effort. Stay until the end because the last mistake is the most common one. Jump rope is one of the most effective fat-burning exercises available today, but only when performed with proper technique and control consistently. Mistake 1 is jumping too high during each repetition unnecessarily. This wastes energy and causes faster fatigue without increasing fat burn. Efficient jumping requires minimal height, just enough to clear the rope. Stay low and controlled to maintain energy and rhythm longer. Mistake 2 is using your arms too much for rotation. Your wrists should control the rope, not your entire arms. Excess arm movement reduces efficiency and causes early exhaustion. Keep elbows close to your body and rotate using wrists only. This improves control and reduces unnecessary energy loss significantly. Mistake 3 is poor timing and inconsistent rhythm while jumping. Losing rhythm breaks momentum and reduces overall workout efficiency. Focus on consistent timing to improve coordination and fat burning. Practice slow, steady jumps before increasing speed gradually. Mistake 4 is incorrect posture during your jump rope session. Leaning forward or backward affects balance and increases injury risk. Keep your chest up and core engaged for better stability. Proper posture improves breathing and overall workout performance significantly. Mistake 5 is going too fast too early in your workout. This leads to burnout and reduces total workout effectiveness. Start slow and build intensity gradually for better endurance. Controlled pace allows longer sessions and more fat burned overall. Combining all these mistakes creates inefficient fat-burning workouts. Fixing them instantly improves performance and calorie burn significantly. Focus on quality of movement instead of just speed or intensity. Good form always produces better results than random fast effort. Your body responds better to controlled and efficient movements. Over time, your endurance and coordination will improve naturally. Consistency is the key to seeing real fat loss progress. You will feel less tired and more in control of movement. Your workouts will become smoother and more effective daily. This leads to better calorie burn and faster fat loss. Small adjustments create big changes in your overall performance. Most beginners ignore technique and focus only on speed. But technique is what separates beginners from professionals. Professional athletes prioritize efficiency over unnecessary movement always. You should follow the same approach for best results. Train smarter, not harder, to maximize fat loss results. Jump rope is simple but requires precision and consistency. Fix your mistakes and your results will improve quickly. Your body adapts fast when you train with proper technique. Stay patient and focus on gradual improvement daily. Avoid rushing the process and trust your training plan. Good habits build long-term sustainable fat loss success. You will notice better coordination within just a few days. Your breathing will improve as your efficiency increases. This allows longer workouts and better overall performance. The more efficient you become, the more fat you burn. Every small correction moves you closer to your goal. Focus on progress, not perfection, during your journey. Build discipline and consistency for long-term success. Your future results depend on what you do today. Take control of your workouts and improve your technique. Start applying these corrections in your next session immediately. Stay consistent and track your improvements over time. You will see visible changes if you stay disciplined. Your energy levels will increase and fatigue will decrease. This is how real fat loss progress actually happens. Smart training always beats random intense effort. Keep improving your technique and results will follow naturally. Stay committed and trust the process completely. You are capable of achieving your fat loss goals. Make every workout count with proper form and control. Fix your mistakes today and start burning fat more efficiently now.